easily 100 pounds.
You struggle to get it in there.
Bro, it was so heavy, he had to ship me the motor and the basket separate.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Yeah, bro, it's a little messy.
It's okay. What's going on, man?
Nothing much. I'm Eric Buckberry with TBO. I got a custom built 21 with a 4-inch voice coil and a box built to 8.4 cubes. It's a little bit small for it.
Okay.
And then I have an SKV1 4500 on a 45 amp hour JY lithium with a 370 amp Autotech alt, and I'm charging around like 15.8, 15.7.
All right, nice. Who built the box?
It was Alec
Okay.
out of Michigan.
Yes, sir.
I can't pronounce his last name.
So what do you know the specs on this subwoofer at all? Like
I don't.
RMS rating, motor size, anything like that?
He said it has a 4-inch voice coil, so it'll take like 5K RMS.
Okay.
It's got a 1-inch 4 quad stack magnet. Yeah, I just had him custom build it.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah, man. Do you know what it meters?
I metered like almost a 145 yesterday, but I'm wired at 2 ohms because it's a dual 4.
Yes,
I
sir.
have 2 of them, so that's why I had them build dual 4.
Yep. Got it. Oh, okay. All
When I
right.
get the second one, when I get the box build, then it'll be both of them.
Yes, sir. Okay. Can I see the back?
Yeah, for sure, bro. I appreciate you, man.
You're welcome.
She ain't the cleanest, but
It's okay. Where's your, is the amp behind the box?
yeah, I can show you the amp real fast.
Okay. Wow, big subwoofer. What made you go with this size sub?
I just seen it, and my brother has a 21-inch incriminator,
Yeah.
and I liked his, and then I seen this one, and it's basically like a better built version of it. So
Okay.
I was like, hey man. why
Yeah.
not? And it only cost me like $600 shipped. So.
There you go. That's a good win for the size subwoofer Cody there too.
So that's my JY, and really dirty, but
It's all right, it works.
I threw it together just so I could. And then this is
All right.
4500.
At 2 ohm.
Yep, 2 ohm.
I bet you it never gets hot unless you're clipping.
Oh hell no, bro.
Yeah.
It takes it all day.
Yes, sir. Nice. So that's how the motor looks. Okay.
Yep, and it's got like a 2-inch gap.
Do you know how much it weighs? What the
Cooling
weight
gap.
is roughly?
Oh, it's easily 100 pounds.
You struggle to get it in there.
Bro, it was so heavy, he had to ship me the motor and the basket separate.
Wow.
Yep, it was heavy, man. It was well worth the wait though. It took
Yes, sir.
about 6 months, 8 months for the sub to come.
Every time I turn around, I pass like a dog. Come for you now, come for you now. And everything I'm selling dope. Go! Baby, you don't wanna be a bad mama. People with it every time I turn around, I pass like a dog. Beast mode with it, I got 15 beds, my hands on the 15 beds. It's just sick. Say for you to say that I'm home. I'm not anymore. I got
about 2,400 watts to
Okay.
it. 'Cause
Yeah,
I wired
wired
at 2
up.
ohms,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
But once I get
Wow.
the second one in there, man, I'll be able to give it every bit.
Oh yeah, wow, man, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Still pretty good for what it is.
Yeah, 2,500
Yes,
watts,
sir.
man.
Nice job.
145.
I appreciate the
you, man.
demo.
It
Very
was
nice
nice
job.
meeting you, bro.
You too. And the moment you put that window down, it gained about a dB&1. I
Yeah,
felt it on
you
there.
feel it over here
Yes.
more. Like if I roll my window up and roll yours down, I feel
You feel
it more.
it, yeah.
That's why I open it that way.
So I appreciate it, man.
Yeah.